Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today let's learn how you can just move your notes from one folder to another on your iPhone. Here I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you have any other iPhone with iOS 16 or later, well, you can follow the same process to do the same things. Well, now to move your notes, first thing that you want to do, you want to head over to Note application here. Well, first I'll create a note and I'll show you how you can transfer or move to a different folder. So I have to tap here. Let's say I want to just add something up here. Let's add a picture, for example. And now let's go ahead and just move it. So I'll just tap to save it. If I come back here, you can see now the new note has been created. If you want to move it, just tap and hold it. And here it will show you this option called Move. Just tap there, and now this is going to show you this option. Well, now if you already have created any specific folder, you can choose that folder, or if you want to create a new folder, then you have to tap New Folder. This is going to show you this title where you can enter your name, so I'll just choose Photo, for example, and now just tap Save. Once you save your note to that folder here, now if you ask where you're going to get the folder, then you have to come one step back here, and if you scroll down here, you'll see your Photos folder right here. So if you just tap there, now this is going to show you the specific note that you have saved or moved to a different folder. So that's how you guys can literally transfer or move your notes from one folder to another. Hope you found this video useful. If you think so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you later. Peace out.